Teen unvaccinated for chickenpox sues Kentucky Health Department after being banned from school extr. A high school student in Kentucky is suing the Northern Kentucky Health Department and other state health department officials after an outbreak of chickenpox at his private school led to his removal from the school's basketball team. Jerome Kunkel, an 18-year-old senior at Assumption Academy in Walton, Kentucky, filed the lawsuit against the health department on Thursday in Boone County Circuit Court. The suit alleges that the department violated Kunkel's freedom of religion and other rights after the health department implemented a 3-week ban for unvaccinated students to attend classes at Assumption Academy and neighboring Our Lady of Assumption Academy. Both schools are private Catholic institutions. The ban was implemented on March 14, according to a statement from the Northern Kentucky Health Department. The schools have been, the KYHD required, all. In addition, all these. According to Kunkel, no students or staff at Assumption Academy have been diagnosed with chickenpox. Kunkel, a member of the Assumption Academy basketball team, was told he could no longer play sports since has not been vaccinated for chickenpox. Kunkel has not been vaccinated due to the religious beliefs he and his family hold, the lawsuit says. Among other fundamental and deeply held religious beliefs of Mr. Kunkel, and the beliefs of his family, is that the use of any vaccine that is derived from aborted fetal cells is immoral, illegal, and sinful, the suit reads. Though current vaccines for chickenpox do not utilize fetal cells, the initial vaccination created in the 1960s, along with several other vaccines, were developed using aborted fetus cells. That he tried to talk to the Northern Kentucky Health Department before the lawsuit was filed, but that the department would not budge. Kunkel's lawsuit also states that an official with the health department displayed religious animus towards the family, writing in an email without "we." The suit is seeking an undisclosed amount for damages. Related video: judge keeps unvaccinated students from New York school, provided by CBS News.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.